Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are going to talk about another very common skincare problem, but because the procedure of removing them is so painful and so torturous that we tend to avoid talking about it as a whole. Yes, you've read it from the title above. We are talking about those pesky blackheads and whiteheads. I think the process of removing blackheads is torturous. That parlour didi, that instrument that she uses to remove them, oh my god, it's pure evil. I think I got it done once, and throughout the procedure I was shouting on the top of my voice, and I think if I remember it correctly, I was midway and I was like, "Bah, और नहीं हो पाएगा भाई, मुझे छोड़ दो, it's okay, I'm okay with those dots on my nose." But do not worry, today I'll give you 4 solutions to it, 2 DIY solutions and 2 product recommendations, which will make this procedure very easy for you and definitely painless. So yes, without any further ado, let's get into the video. To begin with the basic, what is a blackhead and a whitehead? For people who do not know how to see them and what they are basically little black dots on your nose. If you look carefully, you will be able to see them. If you can't see them, good for you. That's a trait you really need to be thankful for. But for others, there are clogged pores on your nose. So hota kya hai, when your nose pores are not closed properly, they produce an oil called sebum. When sebum is overproduced, it will attract dirt. And when dirt settles into those pores, it gives a black sort of a look. So that is what a blackhead is. The basic problem with the blackhead is that it's the basic for a acne or for rashes or for pimples. So that is the reason why blackheads should be removed regularly. So I'll start with the 2 DIY solutions. The first is baking soda and water. So baking soda is a great exfoliator. So for this, you will take around 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1.5 teaspoon of water, depending on the consistency. You want to achieve a nice pasty consistency. Apply it on your nose, give it a nice scrub for around 2 to 3 minutes, rinse it off and moisturize your nose. Very critical, very crucial, because baking soda can be a very drying agent, so you need to give your nose that moisture back. Do not do it for more than twice a week at any cost, because yes, as I said, I will repeat, baking soda is drying. And if disclaimer, if you are somebody from the sensitive skin type, do not try this without doing a patch test. Please do a patch test, see if this suits you, and then try it for sure. And for others, give it a shot, you will definitely see a difference. एक बार में difference नहीं दिखेगा, you have to do it for around 2 to 3 times. And as I said, not more than twice a week. So within 2 weeks, you will be able to see a drastic drop in those blackheads, and your nose will be very shiny and very soft. For the second DIY, it's an egg-based DIY. So how do I do it? I will be doing it on my own. So let's get into that.
Alright, so for this DIY, I'll be using 1 egg, some tissues, I'm using toilet paper here, and a brush. So I have separated the egg whites from the yolk. We are only looking for the egg whites. So now I'll just clean my nose with some micellar water. You can wash it, but make sure it is very well clean before you apply this mask on. So I will directly apply the egg whites on the nose. So I'll apply it on the nose as well as the cheek area, क्योंकि वहाँ पर भी blackheads होते हैं. I am applying a generous layer directly on the nose. After that, I've torn the tissue into half and I'm just directly applying it on the egg white. So I'll apply layer after layer, basically trying to make it into a solid nose strip. So you put egg white, put tissue, then put another layer of egg white, put another tissue, till the time you get a nice solid nose strip on your nose. After applying a nice layer, now I'll just leave it on for 20-25 minutes. Waiting for 25 minutes, it finally dried and it felt rock solid. So I generally stretch the skin in opposite direction before I peel off any nose strip. That just makes it less painful. I definitely could see blackheads and whiteheads on the nose strip. मतलब camera को नहीं दिखा पाई because the camera wasn't picking it up, but the nose felt softer. I could definitely see it gone and I was very impressed.
Moving on to the product recommendations. So product is one. I'll recommend 2 brands for it, but the product is a nose strip. I swear by this for blackhead removal. I mean, I love using nose strips, and it is so satisfying to peel it off and then see the blackheads and those pesky whiteheads on it, and it really gives my heart so much pleasure. So the first recommendation is Miniso. I love Miniso, and they make these brilliant nose strips. So they give it in two variants. One is oil controlling pore strips and the other is deep cleansing pore strips. You can find them in any Miniso outlet, but if you do not find them there, they are available on Amazon. I ordered both of them on Amazon. One box contains 10 and I use one strip in around 10 days. So this works brilliantly well for me and a definite must try. So the second pore strip is from a brand called Hip Hop. They make charcoal nose strips. Sorry, I don't have a box to show you. I'll try to insert a picture somewhere. But they are available on Nykaa and they're also available on Amazon. I have used them quite a lot. Haven't used them recently because I'm onto these Miniso ones for the time being. But they are definitely worth your shot, worth your money, and you will see those blackheads getting removed and getting punched in the face. Those pesky blackheads. So these were my 4 solutions for removing those blackheads and those whiteheads. I sincerely hope you found this video useful, and if you try any of this, please let me know, and if you get a positive result, then so definitely let me know. I love reading all your reviews. It gives me so much happiness and सच्ची बहुत खुशी होती है that it is giving you the same result that it has given me. Other than that, take care of yourselves guys. Loads of love. Bye.